Okay, this is a hub off of the MR50, Honda MR50 Elsinore. I believe it's a 74 model. And I had to enlarge the spoke holes in it because the replacement spokes that we got are a little bit bigger than the original spokes, and they were binding up on us. I'll show you a picture of what this bike will look like when it's finished. This isn't my bike. This is a bike I found on the internet. The spokes are approximately 12 thousandths difference. This is the new spoke. It's 112 thousandths. The old spokes are 101 thousandths. So about 11 thousandths difference. And that little bit of difference should make a big difference in how these things were going in, because they were really binding up. The way I determined how much to take off was I basically just went up a drill bit, went up a fractional drill bit from 5/32, which just fit in the original hole. It was a nice snug fit in the original hole. I just went up one drill bit to 11/64. That'll give us a 64ths more play, and it doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're dealing with 40 spokes and you're trying to get them all lined up, that little bit of difference overall will make a big difference. So let's see how that works out for us. It's not going to be an instructional video, it's just kind of a time lapse.